Hey guys, it's Wendy here with Wendy's Plans, and today I just received my November subscription box from Mandy Lynn Plans. So, guys, let's just open it up, see what it is. Also, I am getting my Advent box in the next few days from Amanda at Mandy Lynn Plans, and leave me below if you want me to open the box all at one time or if you want me to do it daily. Um, I'm kind of wanting just to open it all up, but y'all tell me how y'all want to see it. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and do the subscription box. So let me open this up. Oh, this one is going to be so pretty, guys. This might actually be considered the no. I don't know which one this one's considered. We get them in advance, so I can never remember. Thinking this might be the November. Okay. Oh, this design is going to be so pretty, guys. Alrighty, here is the card. I love that we get these cards. I used to, when I traveled, I would leave the host of the Airbnb one of these cards and just write a little thank you note to them in it. So I love that. And I've got my little journal out that I can swap the washi with. Guys, this is so cute. I love it. I think it's coming out this week. But I am going to show you how I store my washi since I have stopped traveling. It was a subscriber request and I'm going to do that. So it's coming. Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at this washi. I love this. November to me is either always pumpkins or like starting winter washi tape is what you see. And in my area, it's not there yet. We're just beginning to turn cool, and I have a lot of pumpkin stuff, so I kind of like this for this time of the year. It's more neutral, I guess, is what I'm saying. I like this washi. It looks kind of like watercolor boxes. So I really like it. There we go. There you go. That is so pretty. I love that floral design. And I love this washi here that looks like the little slashes of watercolor. That is so pretty. Someone was knocking at my, I thought they were knocking at my door. But it wasn't being. And I love it when we get vellum. Oh, this is pretty, guys. I like this. And it's going to be nice to use. I'm just going to keep this out. Let me see what our free gift is. I like to tell you guys this each month so that if you're on the fence about getting Oh, this is a good one. This is buy one, get one surprise bag free. Um, but sometimes, ooh, put my card back in there. Um, it's just nice to know what we're getting in our subscription boxes, even if it's things like that. Alrighty. I can't give out the code, but I can tell you that. This is the die cut sticker. I almost dropped it. That is so pretty. Now I get the monthly and the weekly spread, and I get it in the washi. So everything is on washi. So those are the 4 full boxes. The colored icons, the colored scripts, and the date dots. The next ones are for the monthly pages. And then these are the extra washi strips. I love this plaid in there. Ooh, and that with the polka dot, that's going to be pretty. The extra labels. The scripts with the icons. Let me turn that way so you can see it. And then we have the trackers. Oh, I love these florals. And then we've got the big deco sheet with the florals. Love that. Well, I will say these kind of static pulls them together. Oops, and then I'm going to drop it. Okay, so here is the this is B page. So this is all your date dots, a full box, your bigger labels, your weekly trackers, a header with your days of the week, and some boxes. So we've got that. And then the first page is your washi tape. I love it paired with this polka dot. And then you've got your labels. So that is the weekly kit. And then this is the monthly kit. And I get the any month, which means instead of these being solid, they're blocks and they fit inside the boxes that you're covering up the previous month's or the next month's boxes, and there's enough to cover up 6 boxes, which usually should be plenty. And then it's got the washi and then the date dots. And by doing the any month, if I already have a month that I have already like this month, I've already used my monthly for November, and I can either use this in December or I can use it in May. It doesn't matter because I can use it any month I want because this is going to make it adjust. Now, the only thing I'm not going to have is this gives me the headers for November, December, and January. But that's okay because I keep her monthly scripts anyway, so I can pull those out. Alrighty, guys, that is my November box. I hope you enjoyed this video. And guys, if you're on the fence about her subscription box, you get so much in there and you can pick and choose what you want. She even has a box where if you don't want the kits but you want everything else, you can get everything else. There's so many ways you can get it, and it fits a wide variety of different planners. So guys, I hope you will check out her website. You can use Wendy 10 on her website, but not on the subscription boxes. but you do build up rewards points on her shop too that you can use in conjunction with a discount code. So, guys, I hope you check her out and leave me a flower down below. And until next time, guys, bye bye.